So this is USDCAD analysis for Friday, the 19th of January. Now let's have a look at our prices and where they may likely go. So we've had these news-related candles just here. We've had a reaction, pretty much perfect reaction to this 125.30. We see sell side momentum. We didn't get quite down to this 23.55 to the downside. Now prices are pretty much still operating in shadow of this news-related event in regards to the US dollar against the CAD. And what we have seen here on the what we have seen on the 18th was prices. Let's just see where we are. Let's just bear with me a second here. There we are. It makes it a lot easier. Just bear with me a second further. Now, so we did have the move downwards, immediately retraced. So we have come into this 200 period moving average marked out here in blue. We've found resistance. We've had a pullback. We've found resistance again, and we did see the sell side momentum. And we weren't able to successfully break and hold above this 200 period moving average despite two tests. We did have this break above the 200 period moving average here, but as we can see, we've had a perfect test of this 2486. So it's within a pip. Where is it? Let's just have a look. 2486 I've got marked out on the charts. 2486.6. Yep, so it's pretty much perfect touch there. And we did see the sell side momentum come into the market. So we didn't get quite up to this 125. We got to the weekly pivot of the 124.86. We saw this further sell side momentum come back into the market, actually bringing us through this 24.26. I would have possibly expected more of a reaction around 24.26, but we have seen prices trade below this 24.26. So sufficient market volatility to take us all the way down to this 124 level. That we have seen some momentum come after this 124 level previously. So in around this 124, we have seen a bit of some buy side momentum taking us up to this 124.26. We'll see whether we are able to successfully break and hold above this 124.26, after which we're looking for prices to potentially head towards that 200 period moving average. Currently sitting in around the 24.60, a break from which we're looking for price to head towards that 24.86 that we have seen hold as resistance previously. If we do successfully break above this 24.86, we're looking for 125 psychological level. Well, what I would expect to be a psychological level, pretty close to the 125 level. We also have to be aware of the 400 period moving average, which has proved as resistance over here on the news-related events. So we'll see whether the confluence of the 125 and the 400 period moving average hold as resistance for further sell side momentum, possibly taking us down to the very next major level at 124.26. If we do see a move beyond even the 400 period moving average and the 125 level, and we are looking for price head towards that 125.30, and again we did see resistance coming to the market in around this 125.30. And that's about 100 or so pips away. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond, say, that's 125.30, I suppose. Beyond 125.30, we've got a previous swing in the market being in around at 125.80. And again, we're looking for potential sell side momentum. If, however, we hold this 124.26 as resistance, we are looking for price to head downwards. We'll see how prices react in around this 124. Where is that? 124.60. We'll see how prices react around this 124.60, which was a lows around this news candle. Whether we do see bullish buy side momentum, but ultimately in around that 123.60, 123.60, we do have the very swing in the market being in around this 123.55. So in between this 123.60 and 123.55, we do expect there was a previous swings in the market, so we may potentially see buy side momentum come into the market from in around this 123.60 and 123.55. And again, potential targets for the upside continuation would likely be in around this 124.26. Move beyond which we're looking for the 200 period moving average, and move beyond that we're looking for 24.86. If we do break down below this 23.55, the very next level that we are looking at is in around this 123.34. And again, we're looking for potential buy side momentum to come back into the market from this 123.34. If we do break down from there, however, we'll see how price reacts in around this 123 level. And yes, the 123 level. And with that, yep, that pretty much covers everything in regards to the US dollar CAD. Thanks for watching.